Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are talking about earning money from Google Translate 2023. But before we continue to our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Google has gifted us a great translation program that is available on their site, in which the individual can speak in any language that they desire and translate what is spoken into a different language. Given the different number of countries, languages that are spoken, and the people that speak these different languages, translation from one language to another is critical. That is extremely important in order for there to be an exchange of ideas, differences in culture, and the overall contribution to peace and harmony in the world. Moving forward, let us explore this great software program and ways that we can monetize it for our own benefit as well. How to cash your work. 1. Use Fiverr. A great way to earn income or additional income to supplement your ongoing job is to be involved in freelance work. One of the freelancing websites is Fiverr. By setting up an account on this website, you are able to create gigs or look for job opportunities that match your skills and talents. Payment is made by the buyer of your services to this website, with the site taking 20% for the service that they provide, and the remainder of the money is provided to you. One of the jobs that can be found on this website is the service of providing translation. 2. Use Latium. Latium offers freelance opportunities in the area of translating audio presentations and written documents from one language to another. On the website, you go to the Browse Projects link. You will then be directed to create a profile by answering and providing all of the necessary details. Once the profile has been completed and you log in, you will see the language and translation link, and the website will show you different job offers under this category. 3. People per hour. Freelancing website that is utilized by over 1 million businesses in getting work accomplished by freelancers. On the home page, it is categorized by popular freelance opportunities, and the registered user selects the category they are interested in. Through this website, there are translation opportunities, and the interested freelancer can post an offer for a translation job. Through Google Translate, you can benefit from the completion of translation jobs, and in essence, Google Translate is helping you get paid. 4. Upwork. At this site, you create your account and are free to set it up. Once you have set up your account, you can then utilize the site to find various freelancing employment opportunities that match your skill and talents. Freelancing opportunities could include grant writing, graphic design, virtual assistant, etc. Another employment opportunity would be that of doing translation for various businesses and companies that are looking for a translator. You set your rate of pay, and if accepted, you perform the job, and when completed satisfactory, payment is made as to Upwork, who then in turn will pay you minus their service fee. 5. Rev. At Rev, you will be introduced to a website that has an abundance of employment opportunities for translators and writers of subtitles. To be qualified, there are a number of tests that need to be taken and passed, and once accomplished, you can get to work. This website is one of the higher paying sites for translating work. 6. Netflix. The Netflix Hermes program is looking for translators, and specifically individuals who can write subtitles. The individuals who are successful candidates for this translation opportunity will be able to translate the various programs offered by Netflix and provide the subtitles in the customer's native language for better viewing and entertainment enjoyment. 7. Aclaro. Aclaro Inc. recruits freelancers that have experience in translating various languages into English and vice versa. A sampling of some of the jobs listed on the website includes the need for Chinese traditional Hong Kong translators, traditional Taiwan translators, French and German translators, Japanese translators, etc. On the jobs link, the listings are available, and when you click on a link, you receive more information about the job posted. Some of the jobs require 3+ years of experience, a university degree, use of Memo Q, etc. 8. Lionbridge. Lionbridge is another translation business in which there are positions available both full-time and part-time. Also, the available positions can be done from one's own home or wherever it is comfortable to work. 9. Indeed. Indeed is a job posting website in which employers post freelance opportunities or employment opportunities for individuals that can do transcribing work, along with a variety of other job opportunities. At this site, there is a search engine that can be utilized to focus on a particular area that you may be looking at in doing transcription work, or a search bar that will allow you to utilize the words working remotely. A return on these searches and more will populate your screen with various employment opportunities. 10. Go Transcript. Go Transcript is an online website that hires individuals that can transcribe. Straight transcription can earn an individual $0.77 per minute when video or audio is converted to text. Also, the site advertises the need for captioning writers, and this service pays $1.11 per minute when the videos are embedded with a caption. Other services include foreign subtitles and the payment of $8.50 per minute, and translation of audio or text in 60+ languages is paid a rate of 0.06 cents per word. 11. Blog. If you have the ability to transcribe through the use of Google Translator, you can start an educational blog for other individuals. The blog can be a powerful blog in that you teach others a foreign language. Through the use of Google Translator, you can teach different languages to those that follow your writing, and possible support may come from them financially, as well as affiliate advertising and a possible sponsor. 12. YouTube. Another way that you can teach a language and fully utilize Google Translator and get paid in the process is by creating a YouTube platform. On the platform, you can teach people a foreign language, incorporate the Google Translator platform, and provide ongoing lessons and bring people through the various basic ways of learning a new language on through intermediary classes. 13. Teach. Another way that you can earn income through Google Translator is by teaching individuals. If you are well versed in language, you can incorporate Google's tool as a way of helping students to learn a specific language while giving them personal instructions as well. 14. Tour guide. Because Google Translator is available on the Android and iOS platforms, you can use this app as a part of being a tour guide in foreign languages or as a travel guide. You can incorporate this app and teach others the language, as well as give private tours to individuals in the international cities. 15. Create special documents. As it relates to translating, these are certain special documents that need to be produced. Some of those documents include specific words or a glossary as it pertains to a different language, and that word may not have the pure translation required to fully engage the word in a sentence or when describing a subject. 16. Work with authors. Many authors, when they write a book, want the books written in multiple languages. You could work with an author and include in the contract that provision of royalties for the selling of these books that have been translated into multiple languages. Google Translator can be a big part of helping you earn this money based upon your own understanding and knowledge of specific different languages. These are the easy methods of earning. When you complete a project, your project will be looked at, and then you will get paid. There are a lot of different projects with different languages. You can select any of those. I suggest you pick those projects that will pay you money in return. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.